Exercise 6-5, using 2 push buttons, a start and a stop, and a potentiometer to turn on and off a motor, and the potentiometer changes the speed and ultimately the direction of the DC motor. The analog max value is 1023, so right at the midpoint is when it starts to change direction, which should be at about 516-ish. So the way this works is the potentiometer gives an analog input in A11, and then it's programmed to produce an output value with the map function to the DC motor, and then the push buttons are in while functions, saying that when this push button is low, which we would know that is high, which is when it's pressed. Well, let me stop it first. But once I press this, you can see the conveyor changes to running, showing that once I turn the potentiometer, it'll run. But once I press the stop button, the DC motor is no longer showing any movement. And you can see the speed variable is still changing because I'm turning the potentiometer. And then once I press the run, or the start button, the motor will start again. And if I hold this button, press the start button, nothing happens. I have to press the start button without the stop button being pressed. And once I press the stop button, you can see that the motor stops. And there it is.